You are ready to study Most Common Words List 4. Remember, most common words occur frequently in reading. As you learn more most common words, your reading fluency will improve. I will say a most common word. Select the word you hear before the timer runs out. If you need to hear the word again, click the replay button. Do. Them. She. Many. Out. If. Up. Other. Then. How. Will. These. So. About. There. Great work! You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to move on. Remember, because most common words do not usually follow phonetic skills, they are not marked. Instead, they are underlined, like this. Let's move on.